Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to set up and install the TikTok Pixel. We'll access ads.tiktok.com and you'll log in with your ad account. In TikTok Ads, go to the menu and hover over the Tools option. A new menu will open. Click on the Events button. This opens TikTok's event setup page where we'll configure the Pixel. Let's click the Get Started button below. Choose Web for data type, then click Next. Enter your website's domain name when prompted. After entering the domain, click Next. You'll see two options. Choose Partner Setup or Manual Configuration. Most platforms offer partner integration, so you can click that button, then click Next. On this page, you'll see various partner options to configure. Shopify is most common, but there's also Commerce, WordPress, BigCommerce. You can click See All. It'll show Nuvem Shop, Mercado Shop, and integrated store options. There are many tools for easy integration setup. If your platform isn't listed, go back to manual setup for the code, but I'll continue with partners and choose Shopify. After choosing, just click the Next button. On the next page, it'll ask for the Pixel name. Just click and edit the desired name. This is just for identification, so name it as you like. Below that, we'll click the Create button. The Pixel has now been successfully created. Since the Pixel's created, it already has an ID. Below, you'll see instructions to set up this Pixel on your site. As I chose Shopify, it shows config options. Just follow those steps. If you picked manual setup, you'll get a code to add to your site. Since this guide is just about Pixel setup, I'll skip installation details. What I'll do now is click the X on the right to exit. It'll ask if we want to leave. We can click confirm. Now it shows the Pixel's been created on the right side. As I haven't finished setup, it says we need to complete it. Once you finish setup, the TikTok Ads Pixel will work with your events. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.